Hi, everybody. David Kino at Basecamp Trading. So we got the minutes from the last FOMC meeting in July. We got those released about 2 o'clock. I want to show you the price action here. So we're kind of in consolidation there. Had an initial move higher, came back, retested that same area, and we're kind of drifting. We were up probably about 19 points in SPX when the news came out. We jumped up here to 56.22, and we've fallen back down, hovering around 56.18. You can see from the news here, it seems the basic reaction is there's good progress on inflation, increases in unemployment, plausible case for 25 basis point rate cut in July meeting. So looks like they're going to cut. A majority of participants said risk to employment had increased. Risk to inflation had decreased. Incoming data enhancing their confidence that inflation is moving towards 2%, their 2% target. And economic growth in the second half of the year has been marked down largely in response to weaker than expected labor market conditions. So they see the weakness in the economy starting to slow down a little bit. But they also see that it's accompanied by falling inflation. I still am of the belief the Federal Reserve will not rush the rate cuts. I think a 50 basis point rate cut might signal a little bit of too much worry about the economy. I think 25 basis point rate cut and saying that completely leave open the door for another rate cut in the next meeting, I think that would settle the market just fine. Because, again, you don't want to panic the market, but you want the market to know that the Federal Reserve is taking the potential of a slowdown in the economy seriously enough so that a rate cut of 25 basis points is definitely for sure at this point. And then now, the door is still open for another one as soon as the next meeting. That's what I would do with the Fed as opposed to going to 50. But again, the market was expecting basically that type of wording. I think it kind of liked it. So it was a little bit of a bullish move, and the market is holding on to its gains, actually adding on a little bit. And at this point, looking to retest the high. Now, that doesn't mean we're going to go off to new highs. We have to see how the market perceives it tomorrow. It could be another day of consolidation or just slightly higher highs because the market's still waiting to hear from the Fed chair. He is speaking at the Jackson Hole Symposium Friday morning at 10 a.m. So that's right after the opening bell on Friday. So I think after that, I think the market has the potential to kind of settle down at that point and maybe make a little bit of a retracement, which would be healthy for a potential continuation move to new all-time highs. Okay, thanks a lot.